Me say me never know where did I got me no me never see that one here coming because me know say Noel is a cool guy. And me say no look no. So me want to ask you something. Can you say Noel I come out and you when your father no you thief your father burial money. When you did that thief your father burial money, you never afraid the man have heart attack find out you thief him money. So yeah word now. Let me tell you something. And as soon as I was gonna get out my dirty girl frat because and say Noel Cunningham never come over here when I am talking about Tina daughter to comment. I don't know if he watch. He have never come over here. You never have a problem with him. You have a problem with him all because Dana go cheer them out. And this is what I'm telling you, so always I'm left back tracks. Dana share out Noel, you have a problem with him now because you feel like so the world will turn against him. And then this is the thing, when you mess with people, and people attack you, then you say people come to attack you and your brand. But if you not saving your brand, look at what Noel did yesterday. That Noel couldn't come and nasty up about him and save him brand. No, the thing is you need to let go of this bad mind and nastiness where you have. Let me tell you something. Me don't know how you do it. I don't know what brand you are protecting. And this is why I asked the lady. This is why I asked the lady for the award. How can you, I'm why you answer that? You curse everybody and body shame them. But yet still you make cake where everybody knows a cake make people put on weight. So, me not understand this. When you did over there upon Noel name, Noel never cry. Noel never cry. Noel came out and him defend himself in a respectful manner. I said this is gonna be something we're not gonna be nice. He came out, he protected his brand. Well, good for you, Canadian boss. Well done. But at the same time, he left you where you let me tell you something. She come out and Tina with the Bible verse, no wonder you couldn't carry it out. No wonder how you couldn't carry it out. Do unto others. Let me say it to you because me notice you couldn't say it. Do unto others as you would like others do unto you. Or you are telling Noel that. But in that word we will say, look who is talking. Would you like somebody come out on social media? Why are you always saying people are back so your bread and butter and people are tear down your brand? What is the same thing you do? And I can openly say you do it with Chris and you do it with Dana. You do it with Lady V. You're so evil and wicked. So till you say Lady V you sell handbag, wigs and jewels, earring, chains and them something, the fancy things. And what you do? You step on your life say Lady V you sell old clothes. So me not understand when you go say Noel fi do unto what did Noel never tear down your brand? You cannot report Noel to the tourist board because I've worked under them, so I know the law from the tourist board. Once you have a business and you are registered under the tourist board and the internet, as long as you cannot prove, so let me make sure me know you always a right letter. Let me save you your time. As long as Noel does not come down, you traffic drugs, you were caught. You cannot do Noel nothing with the life that Noel did and the post because I checked over them. Because I know the law of tourist board. I know it. For you not to waste your time and go shame yourself, you can't do Noel nothing. in a tourist board. Because I said we know it, restaurants and people, workers, and so there's nothing you can do with that life. He never threatened you, so you can wait. Nothing. They cannot do him anything. Because something is wrong. Something is wrong, and I don't call the woman. Something is wrong. Why is everybody always picking on you? And this is the thing. It's not because you have gone to prison. You had problem with people before you go to prison. So let's say then, I choose she got to prison make people are trouble. No. It's before you go to prison. Do you think Noel have time for you? Do you think that guy have time for you? No. He has time for his catering, his order, his business, to promote, to make money. He has no time for you. It's sad to say, but you're just like a mongrel dog, one lick and gone, and you roll over there, son. What happened? Nothing. The police tired of you. Then you want to come and give people uplift yourself, uplift the time you take. Well, if I saw because I'm saying, you have to come to cuss people. For sell 1 and 2 cakes, something is wrong. Look how far you're gone. You know what? This is your problem. You feel like you can control the internet, you can control everybody. You know, look at Nanalyn. Me see you take Nanalyn picture when Dana have her meet and greet and Nanalyn dress up in her the yellow bus. You take the woman picture and post it up on your page. If me dig down in my phone, me can't find it. What did Nanalyn do? Suppose Nanalyn did somebody like a me. What Nanalyn do to you? What shall he ever clean, ever do you yet? What shall he ever clean, ever do you? What Miss Nakelet ever do you? You sit down over there and do life for Miss Nakelet about her money, one whole life. What Nakelet ever do you? What Miss Lotian ever do you? What them people that just, what the people them do you? What them people that do you? This is not like where Shelly, where Nanalyn, where Rose Kitchen and Vlog ever do you? Where Miss Nakelet ever do you? Where Miss Lo, where them people that ever do you? And them the people they are alive when me see you do over there. Sit down pan and do over there. Do life pan them. Where them ever do you? You ever sit down and support them people that did for answer you know people them way about them job? Look on poor Carol. You tell her like Pam, you're wicked. You're wicked, you're wicked, you're wicked. You tell her like Pam me with Carol. Me never talk to Carol, me no know what Carol look like. And you say me and Carol. Half of your thief, half your father money out of bank, you say me and Carol. What Carol ever do you? Them your people when you say comment, them not bake, them not in a nothing but them yet till them people you sit down in a live and drag them. Because the other day you say Lolo them call over Lady V and you and them not talk. You run come out pan Lady V. Full time now if you sit down and reflect. You trouble too much people whenever trouble you. You can't say them people that trouble you. Because then the people that don't even have blogging page you come out, then the people that never make no comment, if say nah, nothing, you go in, you curse the people. Look all poor Miss Prince, not to mention Miss Princess, hey, you see all you? You notice, sometimes you know we have to be careful what we do. everybody know from the day Miss Princess came out with this award. Come I tell us when she did give Portia Simpson and Dana got an award from her, you know. And everybody, Miss Princess never hide it. Miss Princess never hide it. And you sit down on your life. Oh God, man. You sit down on your life. And you do that poor lady where you know the lady have a health problem. And you drag the woman. Come in and know what you stand for, you know. You drag poor Miss Princess whenever do you know. No, you drag Miss Princess. You drag Miss Princess. You curse Miss Princess. But yet still, you the one go keep up march. You did one go keep march. And you call everybody done, but you go draw for Michelle Bradshaw. For go keep up march for your daughter. So let me ask you something now. What price your daughter carry more than Miss Princess? There's a thing in life where you call reaction. You hear, Tina? Tina, there's a thing where you call a reaction. You drag Miss Princess and drag Miss Princess about her sickness. Wish death on the woman, wish the woman sickness come back. But you want people to have pity and mercy upon you with your daughter. Fuck blood clot you and your daughter. That me I go tell Uno now. Everybody could not trouble you. Dana used to send people to her and she said them send people go stalk her. Dana used to send people to her and she said them send people go stalk her. Just like when him thief off the people their money and go Jamaica and him friend Lorlor beat the people in cake and send them because I say Lord send back the cake go give the people them because I tell us about 4 somebody me have them in my phone where sell a Lord send them back the cake. Me never did even bother go ask them because they say Tina pay and a Lord make back them cake and send it back go give them, right? Alright, she never say nothing. After that what she do, make a post and say she see one nether baker. Tell me now. Oh, you I go say you see one other baker I come out, but you just a sit down and I watch something and I put up laughy face. Then the nether ear now, when Lorraine I go bake, that's when you have problem. My daughter, my baby, everything alright, cook up. My baby, I want you start bake. I say, I don't call him, I want you start bake. If you can't bake, go do a baking course. I want you to start bake, my baby. If I even start with cookies, I want you to start bake. I'm going to call you because I want you to start bake because I want to say, oh, I go come beat my pitney out here. My pitney now cuss again. No, my daughter nah cuss nobody. And me have the cussing for my daughter. So I want to make sure support my daughter food business. Run go over glitz and glam. My daughter cook up food like a storm, fresh food, healthy food, whole heap of Jamaican things. And because of my daughter, me I talk, my daughter ship out food and my people them a tell me so my daughter food are going in a bag of things ever fresh, never stale. Make sure my daughter food them well cheap from $8 up, well clean. We see what we daughter do with daughter clean. And we say so my daughter clean, nice, my nice sexy daughter. Try and make sure say all I wanna over here run over glitz and glam. Run over glitz and glam and go support my daughter. Me post out my daughter page. Make sure so no support my daughter. Me go see if I can get my daughter for bake. Cause I want to go see who I go beat my daughter out here. Yes. Make sure. Remember, Glitz and Glam Beauty Bar, go right over on our website, go buy up our food, our healthy food. May I tell you for the food them are going in that bag of thing, fresh thing. Food are coming all compressed bag, so that means to say nothing, not spoil, nothing, Make sure so no support my daughter business, my daughter food business, and my daughter cook right in her kitchen where she buy. Yeah, she pay feed my daughter no. She no want no money upon it, my daughter pay her bill. So my daughter young, like how Noel Cunningham young. So we long time big people. Nah, no bully no out here. Nobody now bully my daughter out here. No bully my daughter. Make sure no run over glitz and glamour my daughter. I no don't trouble my daughter. Cause my daughter nah cuss. Cause me tell my daughter don't cuss. And mama fi defend picnic. So make them come. My daughter go bake. Me go encourage my daughter fi bake. And cause me know Miss Lottie now have no problem if my daughter bake. So no drunk crow can stop my daughter from bake. Yeah. So my daughter cook in her kitchen and me say a dirty girl, a dirty long time big woman like she want come challenge my daughter. So no dirty girl can't step to my daughter. No dirty girl can't bully my daughter. Cause anybody come off of my daughter, me go fling on my dirty girl frock and come rip it up on them and my daughter over there. So my daughter hold the brand. Go on hold the brand, my daughter. Me wear the dirty girl frock. Can't trouble my baby. No drunk. My daughter, me go encourage my daughter for bake. And when me talk, you see how me take my daughter for the internet? Yeah, me talk to my daughter. My daughter behave herself now. So me give my daughter the call so I can look forward to it. Me go encourage my daughter for bake. And when my daughter start bake, me I go see which rank I go come down for my daughter. No dirty bungle, no long time big old girl. Cause my daughter non-traffic drugs. My daughter sell. My daughter is a hustler. Long time my daughter hustle enough and she be a Jamaica. For my daughter did black, now she white, yeah. Still my daughter still love her same way. That little nasty girl. Nothing not spoil, nothing not that show when my daughter cook. Yeah, me I tell her my daughter cook up, my daughter cook and my daughter food them reasonable. My daughter spend her time and cook. No imitation. My daughter not take down Google picture. A voiceover video. My daughter do yes. But remember, my daughter not take no Google picture live. And guess what? Everybody I get them order from my daughter. Order reach. She changed the Starbucks. She not got the one to see her again. She not trying to bother play with my daughter because I said, Dana, she up my daughter over there. She want come like she want come. But cook and she not in the kitchen. You not baking in your kitchen. My daughter supposed to can cook in her house. Because my daughter clean. Yeah, my daughter that clean. Yeah. Go on, Leisha. Glitz and glam to the world. No dirty girl can come out here for you. I want you bake. Because since you have a problem with my daughter cooking in her kitchen where she buy, since you have a problem with young people, me I go show you. Me I say me I cheer them on Noel, Andre, the whole of the young people them. Make for sure you dimes the whole of them. Cause you have a problem with people success. You're too bad mind. So them I go in front and leave you. You know from when the people them are wait for them Thanksgiving cake. And you go make Valentine's cake, Tina, and the Thanksgiving and the Christmas order them not done go out yet. Look how this woman is a disgrace. You want to fight young people at the same thing when troubles come on. The little girl, you know, just come on the internet. You know she nice and people encourage her because they say, you know she never, you know I go already. She want. And I said, Tina start with the girl and the day when the girl. Tina, let me tell you something, man. The blood, that's why you couldn't quote the chapter for Noel yesterday. You see how quick him have to run? Do one to, and you can't, I gotta beat you down to your tongue tie up. Down to your tongue tie up. Down to God, me fi God reject Tina. Don't to God reject Tina, you know. Where you got trouble Noel for? What is the problem with you and Noel? What is the problem? Look for legendary do if not come on too much. That is something that I'm about a month to the comment them. And the man never that talk about and legendary change when he say. And you see Noel over there, you never have a problem with it. Just like how you never have a problem with when did I say, when him a make him comment, am you ready for tear down the man brand? And in your mind you say, let me tell you this plain. Tina, it's not about how you look. It's not about your past from being a dancehall mattress or flyer. It's not about you going to prison for drugs. It's the bad mind and the envy in you, and you don't like to see people survive. Because listen to me now, I'm going to tell you how you fool. If you listen back to Noel, people like a guy like Noel, people like, you listen back to them people, you know, say them the people that them build a brand. Until today you're coming out and you're talking about people cakes and so what them do. You don't put up a certificate. Your brand is like how me make this page here, Kingston 30. You do not have a brand. You don't even have a logo, much less a brand. You are not copyright nowhere. Better Business Bureau does not know you. Blessings, Queen. So when you're going to talk about brand, but Noel, the Art Academy, the Tourist Academy, all sort of people knows him. Who you have around you? And you said you always try to trouble people with brand, and you go after people. Because when you look, Amazon no Leisha, Sheena, all sort of sites no Leisha. Noel, the tourist board knows him. Lot of publisher know him. Him have him book. That's a brand. Then a Marguerite Go. She have a lot of places that she does promotion with. You don't know what was in the contract. She never come out and show no. Chris, the world know about him. He's a very famous Jamaican living. You always try. Oh, let me ask you something, Tina. Let's say these people supposed to decide, say, you know what? I'm going to take out a lawsuit. Even Dimes, when you went after Dimes. Dimes is a married woman. She had a parlor before. So they know people. So you see, who is going to stand up with you against them? This is my question, lady writer. Who know you? We know we never make ear while the sun shine. Try to put it in your picnic and try to put it. That's why I make you proud of him. Them. Try to put it. You say Leisha, you could have been Leisha mother. Because Leisha only 1 year older than K. And if you breed when you are 14, you will breed when you are 13 too. You should have been the one to protect these people and cheer them out and cheer them on.